and I started a session today. Okay, so I think we are done with until last topic where we are done. We completed our. I think we are done cash journal. We are done with the dunning procedure. We have it done. Terms of payment is done. I think even this is done. House banking is completed. Yes, anyone can tell me until where we are done last topic.
Nice, house banking sir.
House banking is done, or we should start this one. Hello.
I have house banking बाकी है. Anyone else can also tell.
हाउस बैंकिंग करना है हमको पूछा है या हो गया है?
Okay, okay. नहीं बाकी है मतलब करना है.
हाउस बैंकिंग स्टार्ट करना है, ठीक है ना?
जी.
ओके, जस्ट सेकंड. Okay, we need to start with the house banking. Fine, today start with the house banking. So guys, see here. Let me tell you what is house banking before going with the house banking. House banking is nothing but the company has its bank that we implement here. It is also called as a in-house banking. Okay, it is called as in-house banking in SAP we call, which we implement a house bank here. That we will do it up here in house banking. So for that what you need to do is now, first you need to create the defined house bank. You need to create the bank account. Which bank account you are preparing your the particular like you're dealing with the transaction from. So that you should create from your system. What will go for that? For that we will go for SPRO, SA preference IMG. You got to go for financial accounting here. Then you need to go for bank accounting. Then go for here bank accounts. Then go for defined house bank. Okay. Here we go and we create a house bank of our company here. Click on define house bank. They'll ask you under which company code you are preparing house bank. So okay, so you're gonna give your IBM 7 enter. Then see, there is no house bank is created. Click on new entries, created the house bank. It can be ICICI, it can be SBI, it can be an Citibank, anything can give here. Let us say SBI, okay? And bank country where it is belong to India. Bank key is the key given by the bank data. This will be given by the bank, like separate keys will be there for each branch, different branches. So let us take anything like SBI 09 will take. Okay, then we'll take here telephone number, contact person, any name you can take here. Okay, let us take Pooja karke any name. Okay, so after this what you got to do? After giving country India, bank key, telephone number, contact person name of the bank, you need to click on create. Once you click on create here, it will ask you the bank name, what you are doing. We'll take it as like this, Bank of India. Region code is the code for which it belongs to here. 10 will be as a Karnataka, if it is belong to Karnataka state, if it belongs to Goa, if it is belong to Manipur. As you already know about that, let us take Bangalore address and take. I take here near Bangalore. I'll put as a Bangalore city. I'll take the bank branch as a where it is located. Okay, we'll take it as Bangalore. Then this is a shift key. Shift key is nothing but it is nothing but if we have a IFSC code of a bank, that IFSC code you can give here. Bank IFSC code. Otherwise, you can leave that blank here. Then enter. Okay, after that, you need to double click on bank account. Okay, double click on bank account, click on new entry, and here we should give the customer account ID. We should give here. Okay, customer account ID. Let us take customer account ID as a SBI or 01 will take customer account ID. Here we put current account of the company which you are preparing for. Description it is just like, okay, savings account, current account, joint account, whatever it will be, we'll take it as for IBM 7. Bank account number, any kind of number you can just give here for the any kind of preferences, and alternate account number you gotta just gotta give here alternate account number. GL account you can create a GL account from FS00, you can link that. If you're creating new, you can now I take this bank account which is already created. I take two number, this is the bank which I already created. Okay. If you have multiple bank, you need to create that one then. Okay. Then here I'll take currency as a INR. Okay, after currency INR, then what you gotta do? You gotta save this and enter. Enter. You'll see here now. And see, it will ask you transport IBAN. It will ask you, do you want to transport the IBAN number? Okay. IBAN is nothing but we use this for the purpose of an international banking. We use this IBAN number. If you are doing the payment for foreign payment, you are doing that time we use the IBAN number. Okay, I'll do no now. If you want to maintain IBAN number, just go to IBAN here and you can create the IBAN number. Okay, they click on IBAN here and you can put IBAN number here. Otherwise, this is optional. Then click on a save. So data is already saved. So my house bank is created. So house bank is created, and in one company code you can create multiple banks if you want. Getting in one company code we can create the multiple bank accounts here. Okay. So what I'll do now, I create one bank is enough. So my first thing is completed. Define house bank is done. Next thing I'll go for number ranges for Chucklot. I need to create here a Chucklot. For that what I will do, I'll go for here accounts receivable, accounts payable, business transaction. I'll go here outgoing payment. I'll go for automatic outgoing payment. I'll go for payment media. I'll go for here check management. Then I'll go for define number ranges for checks here. I'll go here. Then I'll give the house bank over here, which I'm preparing for house bank. Then I'll give my account ID here. Then click on change here. Ready? Then click on a change. Once you click on change here, now you need to, it will ask you from what to what number you want to create the check. So then click on create here. Then create here the check lot number. I'll take from 001 to 100 checks I'm creating one lot. It can be 50, it can be 20, anything can be. So in first lot I'm creating 001 to 100 check. Then enter. Here I give short info, I'll give as a check lot for company code which I'm preparing for that one. Let us take IBM 7. Then save. Check number has been saved here. So we are done with our chocolate creation. So once this is completed, we are done with the first and second. Now we should go to linking house bank in FS00. So I'll go for FS00 and we will go to IBM 7 company code, asset, right click on bank and change here. Go to create bank interest here. Tick this relevant cash flow on and link your house bank here. Okay, and your account ID. Alright, link account ID and house bank. Then you can click on save. So this GL will use for the banking purpose now. Okay. Then our linking process is completed. Now what I should do? Make a vendor invoice in FB60, clear payment in F53 with the bank. This is the process. I think now what we'll do? We'll go to FB60. We'll make one vendor invoice. Company code is we're preparing for IBM 7. Select here the vendor. And 2021. I take the vendor invoice of 50,000. Here I'll put the purchasing for third party. I'll take 301 star amount. What is my tax code for the company code IBM 7? And open that one. So for IBM 7, my output tax code is 3i. I'll paste here 3i. Text is a plus. Stimulate. Post this. See here 1402. Invoice is done. This payment I'll clear with the bank now in F50. Outgoing payment. I'll get date. I'll put here or check paid. Check paid. I'll take here check paid. Then I select here the account. Account means which particular vendor is. I take first one. Document number, process open end. Then here comes the document number we need to find. So we're gonna go for FBL19. Company code all item. Execute. Today's date is a 10. So it is 1402. 1402. So take it as 1402 here. Process open it. Okay. Go this one and you can post it. 1402. Okay. Now what happens? Now what you should do after clearing the payment with the bank. Okay, see payment is cleared with the bank here. This one check paid 1403. Okay, this payment we should link with the check here. Now create a check in FCH file with the help of clear document number. Now what I should do? Yes. For that, you should go for accounting, financial accounting, banks, environment, check balance, create FCH file. Go to FCH file here and here. Payment document number came automatically 1403. See 1403 is here. Check paid 1403. See 1403. Then here check number 001 first check lot. Then after this enter. See what is showing? 1403 is not a payment document is showing. IBM 7 1403. Just okay. Just again. Something is issue and you just check that one. IBM 7 SBI SBI 01. It is correct. Okay, see a mistake. What mistake I done? I cleared the payment with the cash, with the not with the bank. Got it? Everyone are online. Can you hear me? See here. What error has come? The payment was not done by the check actually. I'll do once again. I'll clear the payment of once again. So what I'll do? I'll go for FB60. See, this is a mistake happens. Common mistake. Okay, go for FB60 and take another vendor invoice and clear the payment to the bank. Plus here, stimulate, post it. This invoice number which is generated 1404, we clear this with the bank. Mistake I had done. Very mistake I had done here. I should put a 2 instead of 1. Should be 2 here. Everyone can hear me. Pooja, Harshita, and Surbi, everyone over online. Hello, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Process open item here. Then document number. Now we will give. Another one time we will document number here. So it is again generated here. 1404. I'll give 1404 here. Then process open item. Okay, if you want to apply discount, you can apply. Otherwise, you can just remove this discount and you can just put it normal posting. Then now what is you do 1405. Now go and create the check now. FCH5. Okay, so for that what I'll do, I'll go for back, I'll take here, I'll go for SCH5 manual check. Okay, now see, automatically it has come. What is my check number? 001 first check. Enter now. Now it will come. Who is the payee name? Payee name is the FASTag India is the vendor. Click on post. Save. Check IBM 7 SBI credit 001 credit manually. So check has been created. So it has been created. Heading. Now what I should do? Check register FCHN. If you want to check what is happened with the check here, go to FCHN and you can check that. So take back for that. Take back. Go to here. Display FCHN. Check register. Go here. Then give the paying company code which I am saying for that IBM 7. What is the house bank? Select the house bank. Okay, and account ID. Then click on post. 1405 11 50,000. See, you can check this is a check transaction. After once this is completed, what will do next thing? See, you can delete the check in FCH. You can delete the check then. Okay. Suppose you are voiding the check, no, you can delete the check by FCH. These three are optional. Okay. Deleting the check and cancel the payment and voiding of check is optional. Heading. So if you want, you can delete the check there. That will be done under here. Change, and you can go to here delete FCH voided check. Okay, let me show you this one voiding of check. Why voiding is done? If you cancel the payment, you can delete that check now. Heading. So FCH is a cancellation check. I'll show you the voiding FCH9. Why voiding is done? Voiding we do because if the check is stolen, the check is misprinted, we go for void, we go and FCH and we void the check. I have only 16001, I'll go for void reason why I'm voiding this check. I'll give here stolen again. So you give a stolen here and you click on void. Check doc 001 voided, payment document not reverse. Okay, payment is not reverse here. Okay, go here and check it. Why the check is bounced, the check is stolen. See, stolen. So this is the wording will be done. And this two are optional. Delete and this one. See, delete you can do from here. FC HE can delete here. Go here. FC HE can go here. What is check number 001 and you can give execute. See. So check be deleted. You can delete the check here. Check information 001 successfully deleted. Everyone is clear with this house banking. So here completes my house banking configuration. Got it, Pooja. Got it, Harshita, and everyone who are online. Everyone, Harshita, Pooja, and
सर एक्चुअली
बोलिए. Tell me.
एक्चुअली कभी यूज नहीं किया है ये तो मुझे एग्जैक्टली नहीं पता चला पर एक बार प्रैक्टिस करूंगी और कुछ डाउट होता है तो पूछती हूँ सर
Yes. Because ये ज़्यादातर बैंकिंग सिस्टम यूज होता है SAP जो मैंने दिखाया
बैंकिंग
आपको.
यूज होता है ना ओके ओके
एग्जैक्टली बैंक सिस्टम यूज होता है. तो आप प्रैक्टिस कर लीजिएगा इसको एक बार देख के परफेक्टली प्रैक्टिस कर लीजिएगा. फिर मैं आपको कल बताता हूँ ऑटोमेटिक पेमेंट होगी. बहुत बड़ा चैप्टर है कल का. Okay, tomorrow I'll take you at 8:30 only. Tomorrow is 8:30. I'll take you. There's no problem.
8:30 ओके सर
Yeah, because today is the fifth day of Navratri. That is why I need to go soon. Okay. तो आपको मैं सारा बता के दूंगा 8:30 को.
ठीक है सर
It is very big chapter.
ओके
Tomorrow I'll tell you automatic payment program. Fine guys.
ओके
Is it clear everyone? Harshita,
यस सर
Pooja, so Surbi, how about you? Clear? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, just practice this
यस
thing
सर
guys. Then see you tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye.
ओके सर थैंक यू